Ever wonder how we know medicines are safe and effective? It's not just about the science behind the drug, but also about the systems that support its journey from the lab to your pharmacy shelf. Behind every pill, there's a story of careful checks, records, and reviews. The answer is rigorous documentation. Every detail, no matter how small, is written down and verified. This process is the foundation of trust in the pharmaceutical world. Every step in making a medicine, from sourcing raw materials to mixing ingredients to packaging the final product, is recorded in real time. This creates a complete traceable history for every batch produced. This is the heart of Chapter 4 in the EU's Good Manufacturing Practice Guidelines. These rules are not just recommendations, they are legal requirements that shape how medicines are made and handled. These rules ensure traceability and accountability. So if a problem arises, we can pinpoint exactly what happened and who was involved. Investigators can follow the paper trail to identify the root cause of any issue, whether it's a minor error or a major safety concern. Good documentation is crucial for patient safety and quick recalls if needed. If a batch is found to be unsafe, companies can act fast, using records to trace and remove affected products from the market, protecting patients everywhere. It builds trust between manufacturers, doctors, and patients, proving that every pill meets strict standards. This trust is essential for public health and confidence in modern medicine. Every signature and entry is evidence of quality and safety. These records show that each step was checked and approved by trained professionals. Chapter 4 isn't just paperwork. It's the backbone of pharmaceutical quality. Without it, there would be no way to guarantee that medicines are made correctly every single time. It turns medicine making into a transparent, verifiable science, ensuring that every dose you take is backed by a chain of evidence and care. The old Chapter 4 focused on clear, error-free records made at the time of each action. Workers had to document every step immediately, ensuring accuracy. Standard operating procedures, or SOPs, were the foundation, like recipes for consistent results. Batch records captured the full history of each medicine, reviewed by quality teams before release. Documents were stored for years to allow future investigations if needed. The emphasis was on protecting paper records from loss or damage. Data integrity was mentioned, but the system was built for a paper-based world. It worked well, but times have changed. The new draft of Chapter 4 brings a digital revolution, transforming how the pharmaceutical industry manages data and compliance. With data integrity at its core, the draft emphasizes the ALCOA plus principles: attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, accurate, plus complete, consistent, enduring, and available. These principles set a higher standard for data management and integrity. The new guidelines ensure that every piece of data is reliable and can be traced back to its origin, maintaining high standards across the board. There's now detailed guidance for electronic and hybrid systems, which require thorough validation and secure audit trails to ensure data integrity. These audit trails meticulously log who changed what and when, making digital records trustworthy and transparent. This level of detail in logging changes helps in maintaining the authenticity and reliability of the data. The document lifecycle is now meticulously managed from creation to archiving or destruction, ensuring that every document is accounted for. Outdated documents are promptly removed to prevent errors and ensure that only the most current information is used. Roles and responsibilities are clearly defined, with strict access controls to ensure that only authorized personnel can handle sensitive data. Only trained, authorized staff can handle or change data, ensuring that data integrity is maintained at all times. Comprehensive training in data integrity principles is mandatory for everyone, ensuring that all staff are well-versed in maintaining high standards. The new rules ensure data is protected and reliable at every step, from initial entry to final archiving. Ultimately, these changes aim to enhance patient safety, ensuring that the data used in healthcare decisions is accurate and trustworthy. Comparing the old and new Chapter 4 is like moving from typewriters to computers. The old rules focused on paper, the new draft is built for digital data. ALCOA Plus makes data integrity the central theme, not just an afterthought. Companies must now prove their data is protected from creation to deletion. Electronic systems are the norm, with requirements for audit trails, backups, and e-signatures. The new draft expects active data governance, not just safe storage. Quality teams must oversee data systems, not just review paper records. The bar for compliance is much higher. These sweeping changes are set to transform the daily operations of pharmaceutical companies in profound ways. From the way teams collaborate to how data is managed, every aspect of the business will feel the impact. Inspectors will now dig deep into digital systems, demanding clear, traceable proof of data integrity at every step. Audits will be more thorough, with a focus on transparency and accountability. Companies must demonstrate that their systems are not only secure and validated, but also robustly managed and regularly updated to meet evolving standards. Quality assurance teams are no longer just reviewing paper documents. They're actively designing, implementing, and monitoring complex data systems alongside IT experts. This means QA professionals must develop new skills in IT, cybersecurity, and data governance, becoming true cross-functional experts. Companies are now required to assess risks across all their systems, with special attention to hybrid environments that blend digital and manual processes. Standard operating procedures must guarantee that data cannot be lost, tampered with, or altered without detection, ensuring the highest level of data security. Implementing these changes is a massive undertaking, requiring careful planning, cross-departmental collaboration, and significant investment. But it ultimately leads to safer, more reliable medicines for patients. With more reliable data, companies can make better, faster decisions, reduce the risk of costly recalls, and improve patient outcomes. By embracing these rigorous standards, pharmaceutical companies build lasting trust with regulators, healthcare professionals, and the public, ensuring a safer future for everyone. The new Chapter 4 is more than a rule update. It's a shift in mindset. Data integrity is now everyone's responsibility, not just IT or QA. Ongoing training and leadership commitment are essential. Companies must upgrade systems, rewrite procedures, and retrain staff. This isn't a burden, it's a chance to strengthen quality and efficiency. Better data means better decisions and smoother operations. Every rule is designed to protect patients and ensure medicine quality. By embracing data integrity, Pharma builds a future of trust and safety.